Good morning. My name is Sumitra Anaprampanarayanan and my metric number is 309867. And today I'm going to explain about my final assessment for interaction design subject. This slide introduces Pachi Zaidi's persona. He is a 57-year-old military retired living in Kampung Tedisi. He is friendly, sociable, and actively involved in community and village programs. His interest in nature and outdoor activities reflect his strong connection to village life. In terms of technology, he is a basic smartphone user. Although his skills are limited, his attitude towards technology is positive. He believes technology is necessary to improve village life, help solve problems faster, and is willing to support and encourage others to use it as long as the tools are simple, practical, and easy to understand. This empathy map represents my persona and helps us understand his experience when dealing with village issues. What he says shows his need for technology to improve village life, but he feels unsure who to contact and finds the problem solving process slow and difficult. What he thinks reveals self doubt. He worries his complaints won't be taken seriously and feels he is not good with technology. What he feels includes frustration, worry about village safety, and helplessness due to poor communication, but relief when help finally arrives. What he does shows passive behavior. He avoids formal reporting, relies on neighbors, and waits for others to take action because digital platforms feels confusing. From this, I identify his pain points: no clear platform to help, slow response, low confidence in technology, and lack of feedback. His gains would be a simple, easy to use system that reassures him his request is received, lets him track progress, and makes him feel heard and supported. So from that, I made a solution which is Village Help and Support mobile application that allows villagers to easily request help, report village issues, and access emergency contacts through a simple and user-friendly interface suitable for all age groups in a compound TDC by providing clear categories, simple navigation, and support features such as voice input. This solution was chosen because villagers currently lack a clear and efficient way to request help and report issues. Based on user empathy findings, many villagers have basic digital skills, so a simple mobile application is more effective than complex system. This app also supports community involvement in by allowing socially active villagers to use technology to help solve village problems while maintaining the values of a kampung tradisi. This wireframe shows the overall user flow of the Village Help Request mobile application designed to be a simple and easy for villagers with basic smartphone skills. The login page allows user to securely access the app. The request help page guides user to start reporting an issue. The choose category and categories page help users to select problem types such as infrastructure, health, welfare, or others, making reporting easier and clearer. The description record page lets user describe the problem and add location, photos, ensuring accurate information. The success message page confirm that the request has been successfully submitted, giving reassurance to the user. The request list page allows user to track the status of their reported issues. The help guide page provides simple instruction and support for users who are not confident with technology. The live agent and contact pages gives user access to direct assistance when they need help. The profile page lets users to manage their personal information. Overall, this wireframe focuses on clarity, reassurance, and ease of use, ensuring villagers feel confident, supported, and informed throughout the process. So this is my prototype, which I translate it from my wireframe. And next, I will do a demo and explain about my prototype. So I start with login page. This login page requires IC number to log in. So I write identification number in a big font so the user can easily see what they need to enter. So and then it requires no password because some elderly people mostly won't remember their password. So I just put no password required because they are logging in with their IC number. If you don't want to log in with IC number, you always can log in with my digital ID. Nowadays, many apps already started to use my digital ID. So I log in now. After login, we can see a logout button here, a request help page button here, and then help and guide button here. And the bottom navigation got home, request list, contacts, and profile. So I start with request help button. And then here it will ask to choose the category you want to request help. Got infrastructure, health, welfare, and others. So I start with infrastructure. So here we need to choose what type of issue we are facing. If the issue is not here, we can always write here. And then they need to describe the problem. If the user don't know how to write about the problem, they can always record their voice. So they can click here to record their voice. It will start recording, and then if we stop record, it will go back to the page, and then it transcribe from your voice into wording. And then you need to choose your location. If you cannot choose, like you cannot write the location, you can always choose here in the map. And then you also need to add photo. If click here, it will go to your gallery, and then submit request, it will go to the success page. And then we go back, and then now we see the health page. The same, we need to choose the what kind of assistance, and then describe the problem or click here to voice record. The urgency level, like how urgent you want the thing to reach you. So green is like normal, red is more urgent. And then you enter your location, photo, and then submit request. And then we go to welfare, and then the same thing, how what kind of help you want to ask. If there's don't have the help you are thinking here, you can always write here and then describe the problem. And then how many days of supplies left. If like food basket, how many days still left at your home, like you can choose, you can put here, enter here, and then the help will be arrive soon, and then the location, and then photo, submit request. And then if you don't know what category of request you are asking, you can always choose others. The same thing, what you write here, what help you need, and then describe the problem, and then enter location, add photo, submit request. And then now I go to help and guide page. Here you can search what kind of help you want, or else you can search here frequently asked question. So the first question, you can if after you click, it will show how to solve that. And then the second question, and the third question. And then if you still have question, you can always chat with the live agent. Here, this is how the live agent chat will looks like. And then we go back to the home page, click here, and then now we are going to the bottom navigation. Home page will go to this page, and then the request list page go to this request list, which you can see the list of requests you have been made. So here are two requests which have write down their status, whether it's done or pending. So the first request, so it will show you here whether it's in progress or some just submitted or resolved, like this. If they done the if they resolved, they will add a photo here, and then this details is the one you send them. And then go back to the request list, and then I choose a submit. So this is the one, say they say resolved, and the resolve time and what time they resolved, and then the proof of the resolved, and then the details problems, this is what you have been submitted. And then the contact page, when you are in an emergency, or like you want to contact the village head, you always can go to this contact page to contact them. So if I now I want to contact the village head, so I just click the call button, and then it will call, and then end button, it will go back to the contact page again. So now we will see the profile page. So here we can edit our image here. Name and IC number cannot edit because we are logging in with our IC number, so the name and IC number will automatically enter. And then phone number, email, and address we can always change. This is my interface for the village request help people, to help them to overcome their problems. So that's all. Thank you. This is my usability test results and findings. I test this app with 5 different people in the age range of 17 to 73 years old, including both young digital natives and elderly users, ensuring the interface is accessible across generations. Across all my 5 surveys, the data shows high satisfaction in these areas. The first one is ease of use. Users consistently strongly agreed that the system was easy to use and well integrated. And the second one is low barrier to entry. Almost everyone strongly disagreed that they needed to learn a lot of things before getting started. The third one is high confidence. Even the older participants felt confident using my system without any technical support. The key feedbacks and improvements, while most users found nothing difficult, 3 specific insights emerged for me. The first one is UI accessibility. The 73-year-old user suggested making the voice recording button larger to assist elderly users. So for now, in my system, the voice recording button is a bit small. And then the second one is transparency. One user requested an estimated time to fix the problem featured after submitting a report. And then the third one is social functionality. A suggestion was made to allow users to see reports from neighbors to avoid duplicate reporting, like example, reporting the same broken lamp twice. And this is my final assessment. Hope you all like my idea. Thank you.